I just want to say thank you for all the birthday greetings and of course for all the presents. I really appreciate it. You know, so I'm 32 years old today.
32.
And I'm not on a calendar anymore.
She's older than me. Oh,
Excuse me, just for 3 weeks.
Eh?
Just for 3 weeks. Yeah. Is mom's old? No.
Yes, yes.
Mom's not old.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, Elijah.
Yes.
It's like I don't care about you.
She's old.
Yeah, so these are the gift from, of course, from my husband, from Luis, Graham, and Cleo, and of course from my mother and father-in-laws. Yeah. So anyway, I appreciate everything, greetings and everything, you know, and presents. Thank you, thank you. I'm going to open birthday presents. I think I'm gonna open your gift, darling, at the end.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, you want it in the first one?
No, it's okay.
Right, I think this one is from Luis, Graham, and Cleo. That's a nice bag. Yeah, so we'll see the card, of course. Valerie. I just tear it. They said you have to tear it, so you know you will receive more. Wow, that's nice. Happy birthday wishes. Make a wish. To Valerie, happy birthday. Lots of love from Graham, Luis, and Cleo. Kiss, 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 kiss. Thank you so much. Gray family.
Yes.
Wow. I got perfume. Perfume.
Perfume.
Yeah.
Smell nice.
Perfume. Yeah, I haven't opened it yet. Yeah, I should try it, yeah. Wow. I've got necklace. Yeah. A heart necklace.
Wow. Is that a bracelet?
Necklace. That's nice. Wow. Very nice.
Very nice.
And then whip shower foam. Ah. I didn't know there's like this.
What's that?
That's nice.
Shower cream.
Yeah, shower foam.
Yeah.
Yeah. I didn't know. That's nice. Yeah, let's open the Oh, looks good. Oh, oh, you just had to spray it right away. I'm trying to open it. Oh, sorry.
Yeah.
Wow, it's
Nice.
good. Yeah,
What's
so
that?
that's Elijah and right there.
Dancing in the back.
Smells good.
Yeah.
Very good. Thank you. Thank you very much. Alright, I'll sort that out later.
That was
Okay.
from Louise, was it?
Yeah. Nice. Very nice. Very good. Thank you so much. Really appreciate it. And then it's Luis Hendu as well today.
Yeah.
I'll see them tomorrow. And then this one is from my in-laws. A nice bag. For a lovely daughter-in-law, wishing you an extra special and very happy birthday to Valerie. Have a wonderful day with lots of love. Kiss, kiss, kiss. Lots of love from Mom and Dad Lynch. Yes, thank you.
Yeah.
Very good. Even though they're very busy today for Luis Hendu. Okay. So now, so there's
Oh,
three
they've wrapped
bags.
that up tight.
Yeah.
With mistake.
Make it hard for
I
me.
think somebody was going to steal it.
I think there's some gold in here. Some treasure, diamonds. I'm kidding. Whatever it is, I will appreciate it. Oh! Wow!
Oh, very nice.
A nice heart earrings.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, yes. Mm. So we'll open the next box. Wow, another heart bracelet.
Oh, nice. Huh?
Yeah.
Very good, huh?
That's nice.
That's a good
Thank you
one.
very much. The Amo collection. When you're looking for something a little bit special, special, plated with real gold.
Mm.
Very good. Thank you very much. The next one. Oh! Happy Highland Co. Off to work. Yeah, because I really like Highland Co. One time we were driving to Vic, and then my mother-in-law just stopped in there because she wants me to see the Highland Co. Because there's 2 Highland Co in there. Oh, that's nice!
What's a wee ornament?
Wow!
Oh, very nice, huh?
Thank you! Look at the Highland Co, so cute. Oh, because I said, oh, this is very cute. That's what I said to their ornament there.
Yeah.
Wow. Thank you very much.
Still yawning. Still yawning, Elijah. Eh? Still tired.
Elijah's still tired.
Eh? Still
You
tired.
love it as well, Elijah? Say thank you. Thank you for all your gift for mommy. And of course, the birthday greetings.
What was that? Was that the door?
Right. Right. Last but not the least, from my darling, from my husband.
Wow.
Ano rin, kiss. Wow, he taped it.
That was somebody at the door.
Hmm?
I thought it was someone at the door.
Oh, really? Of course!
Oh,
After
look at
it,
that.
chocolate. I like this one, but I knew who likes it more.
Yes, I bought it for myself.
My husband. He bought this for himself. Because he
Nice to
like,
share, eh?
he likes this more than you see. Oh. I love this, but I know my husband loved this more.
Yeah.
Why I opened the gift when you have card here? I didn't notice. Okay.
Yeah.
Of course. Wow, it's a big card.
Mm. And this thing pulls out the envelope, you see?
My gorgeous wife. A little note to say how much I love you, always and forever. Wow, that's nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, it has a little note there that you pull. Wow. Okay. I don't know how to open now.
Yeah.
Chicky Monkey, because he called me Chicky Monkey. Happy Valentine's Day and happy birthday. Love you always forever, darling. Daddy, kiss, 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 kiss. Thank you. Thank you, baby. Kiss.
Kiss as well.
Kiss as
Goodbye.
well, Elijah.
Goodbye.
Kiss as well. It's mine. Hello, mommy. Say happy birthday, mom.
Happy birthday, Mom.
Yeah. And then, of course, yes, Ferrero
yeah.
Rocher. I like this one.
Yeah, nice. Eh?
Yeah, they're nice, but I knew it's gonna eat more.
Yeah. That's another one for me.
All right, let's open this one.
No, open the other one.
The other one first.
Yeah.
Right. The boss said open this one first because there's 2 boxes here. is this?
Oh.
Wow! Oh, Dior!
Yeah.
Wow! Perfume!
Miss Dior.
Miss Dior! Thank you so much. I've got a lot of perfumes now. Very good. Because I always use it. I love perfumes. Miss Dior. Wow.
Oh, that's nice, that.
Let's see.
Bet you love that. Spray it on your other arm.
I know. 'Cause I'm a...
Yeah, spray on your other arm, Elijah.
Wow. Oh, I like it.
Smelly.
Yeah.
Very nice. That's good
Very
stuff.
nice. Miss Dior.
You don't need a lot of sprays on that either.
I know. It stays, isn't it? Oh, that's good. Very refreshing, darling.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. I really appreciate it. Okay, we have another box here. Let's put this one first. Put it back here. And then I'll display all the cards by the windowsill.
Yeah.
That's how it works here.
That's
Right, let's
good
open
one.
this other one. Yeah.
Careful when opening that. Be careful when opening
Right. Ooh. What is this? A message for you. To my sweetheart. Never far from your heart. Kiss, kiss, kiss. Dramatic! Beaver Brooks? Why is it Beaver Brooks?
Yeah, just have a look and see.
Because you know, I'm just gonna tell you before I will open it. Because the promise ring that he gave me, I know that's Beaver Brooks.
Yeah.
The promise ring. So, oh my God.
There
What?
we go. And that's a locket.
It's a locket.
It's gold locket. You can fit up the 4 photos inside. That's why the note says never far from your heart. Because you can put photos inside. You know.
Oh, I didn't expect this.
Yeah.
Oh
It's a
my
nice little piece of
God.
jewelry.
Okay, I'll kiss
Ah,
you as
kiss,
well.
kiss, kiss.
I just kissed them both. Oh my
Yes.
God. Yeah, this is the necklace that I'm trying to look before. Even the gold like jewelry store in the Philippines. Because I want something that I can put our photos. Like,
Yeah.
you know, my husband and my children. It's a locket.
It's a little locket, yeah.
Wow. Oh my God.
Yeah.
I need to be careful though.
Yeah. Yeah,
Look at
look at
that. And this one as well from Gary
Uh-huh.
during our wedding. Wow, that's nice, darling.
Yeah.
Perfect. I
Very
open
nice.
it. I'm scared to open it in case I broke it. Oh, there. I can see a gap in there.
You can fit up to 4 photos inside.
What?
You can get up to 4 photos in there.
Wow. Wow, baby. This is amazing.
Can you get it?
I hope it didn't make you skin. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, there you go. Sorry, it's just my nails. It's not that sharp because, you know. Baby, I cannot open it.
I thought it was the opening in there.
There is, but it's hard.
Is it?
Because of my nails, it's not sharp. Anyway, I'll try it then. I will not stop. I can
It's
still
nice, isn't
smell.
it?
Yeah,
I can smell it from here.
yeah.
Can you smell it, Elijah?
Wow.
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh.
You can put 4.
There you go. Nice, isn't it?
Yeah. There.
And it's pink inside. I know you like pink.
Yeah. Wow.
Very nice, huh?
It's very nice, darling.
Uh-huh.
This is what I'm looking for. Then I just need to put like a photo in there.
Mm-hmm.
Ah, and then you can remove this like white thing.
Yeah.
And put the photo in there. Yeah.
Mm.
Wow.
There's a bit of film on the back to protect the gold, you see, so
I see.
a bit of protective sheet on it. Take that off.
Ah. Well, I appreciate everything. Thank you very much.
Yes, that's a birthday and Valentine's gift.
Yeah.
Chocolates for me. Me and Elijah will eat the chocolates, eh? Yeah.
You know what, darling? I gave you my gift and then I have my card for you, but I didn't give it to you. I should have given you first the card. Anyway, I'll give it to you now.
Do you like it?
Of course.
Yeah?
Yeah. What the heck?
Very good.
And they even have like this, the note. Oh, I need to take care of this one. That's why my baby said, take care of it. Take care.
Take care of it.
Alright. Now it's cleaning time. That's it. Thank you very much. I enjoyed my birthday. Bye.